Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit and find the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and right under it we've got the wallpaper section, so let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got again plenty of albums from which we can choose the wallpaper. What's more, if you will decide that you want to pick the wallpaper from your gallery, you do not have to get back, simply tap on My Photos. And be aware that those albums, except the on-device wallpapers, will be available only when you will have the internet connection. So all you have to do is to simply enter the album you'd like to check, and as you can see here, we've got more options to choose from. And if you are happy with your choice, the choice of the album, and if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will appear right here. You will be able to change the position of the photo, which is quite a cool option also. After tapping on this arrow icon, it will be blocked. So as you can see, you cannot change it. So position it like you want to. What's more, here you can check how it will look like on the home screen, but also on the lock screen. Which is also quite cool. What's more, after tapping on this info icon, you will be able to check some info about those coral reefs on Maldives in my case. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner, and as you can see right now, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. We've got the information that the wallpaper has been set successfully, so we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. We can also check the lock screen, and the same situation, it is visible right here. Of course, it's not because of the notifications, but it was also applied. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.